To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here.
Pinch this hose in order to release it.
Use either a flathead or Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the hose. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.